So hey hello guys, so KPMG is hiring for executive software engineer role. So the job location was Pune and Maharashtra. So if you are interested for this job, you can get the apply link in our YouTube channel description, or else if you're watching this video in Instagram, you can get the apply link on our bio section guys. So here is the job description, roles and responsibility for this job. So they just clearly mention it's a kind of software engineer role for Pune and Maharashtra location. The required education qualification is kind of engineering graduates or else postgraduates in any other domains. So the required core technical skills they just clearly mentioned like Python, Pandas, Numpy, PySpark, and a strong SQL knowledges. So they clearly mentioned it's kind of fully kind of on a data engineer role, data engineer plus a DevOps mixed role. So here is the exact qualification and requirement for this role. So you can check it out these skill sets. If you are match these skill sets for this role, you can apply this job. So here is the exactly what you're going to do. It's kind of going to work with banking relevant stuff. So you need to some top knowledge in banking relevant and ETL relevant stuff. So here is the exact detail for this job role. So you can get the exact details from the description of this job. So get the apply link from our YouTube channel or also Instagram bio section guys. So see you soon in the next video. Bye.